This is actually a video of the deployment itself taken from the spacecraft. That is the deployment of the Reflector, the thing that we were most worried about because of that thermal problem. And as you can see, we blew it out. It's now being pulled out by a motor. There's cables that wrap through the entire structure and then pull it out to its final form. And this also was a little bit nerve-wracking, but you can see that it's working very well. It's actually working better in orbit than it worked in testing on the ground. It's really great. And there's an interesting story about the cameras, too. JPL usually doesn't put cameras on board because they just don't think it's necessary. We have other things, other ways to measure it. But ISRO insisted they had to have cameras on them. These are ISRO cameras. And we're so happy that ISRO put the cameras on the spacecraft. It really is